And guys, share ko lang, no, coach, naka 282 ko today, 582 3 days. Masaya-masaya siya, nagpapasalamat, and thank you din sa tiwala. So, ilang masasabi ko, kung ano yung ginagawa natin, nagbubunga, no, nagkakaroon ng real life effect, no, life changing effect. So, ayun, we just want to share what is forex trading is all about, and we're really passionate sa pag-share ng knowledge natin. And ayun, if you want, if you are interested in forex trading, I highly invite you to join our Telegram community. It's very important, lalo na if bago ka pa lang, you need some guidance pa rin. So we're there to help. And ayun, we share trade ideas there, trade signals, etc. So fundamentals, technicals, etc. We also do free webinars, and if you want a one-on-one coaching, we can do that. We can still do that. We just need to schedule that, no? And we also upload video tutorials sa mga social media natin. So everything is all about sharing itong forex. And with forex, nga, no, ano tayo, we can trade anytime, anywhere. Kahit nasaan ka pa, kahit nasa abroad ka pa, out of country ka, okay lang, makakapag-trade ka pa. And dito wala kang boss, wala kang kliyente na iniintindi, wala kang coworker na iniintindi rin. It's just you in the market. And that's why the community is very important, kasi you can talk about trading with like-minded people. So that's very important. And ayun, I'm not saying na it's very easy kasi wala yung mga kliyente, wala kang boss. Actually, it's really hard kasi wala kang yun nga, hindi mo naman masasabi na you're going to be perfect when it comes to your trading and with your trading strategy. There's no 100% trading strategy. It's really hard to trade. I'm not sugarcoating it, but there's a lot of potential as long as na you do it right, and you do it with proper risk management. You can do sustainable trading. You can make a career out of it, and yun, you can make it full time. Just like me, no, I'm full time trader, and I do this for a living. Itong pagte-trade natin actually. And yun, that's basically what I do every day, no, pagte-trade. And ayun, masaya lang kasi syempre hindi ko na kailangan bumiyahe sa work ko. I was working in a corporate before, and 2-3 hours na pagbiyahe per day, no? Hindi lang, papunta pa lang yun, 2 to 3 hours. Napakahirap. And what more pa kaya, no? Ngayon, I don't know kung gaano kalala na yung traffic, but my time, way back 5 years ago, napaka-traffic na. It will take me 5 hours in total sa transportation, no? Napakahirap. But with trading, again, it's not easy. It may be harder, but there's a lot of potential. I'm not saying this is for all. It could be just an opportunity. It could be a side hustle, and or you can make it full time eventually. So I just want to encourage you to try it. Try nyo mag forex trading, and we're there to help. We can spoon feed you everything that you want to know. We can give you that. And ayun, you can ask me directly doon sa community natin. So I just want to invite you there. So there, I just want to see you there. Just give me a message, and see you.